What's the meaning of Croatia? Croatia. Croatia.
Croatia. Croatia. Croatia is a country located in Southeast Europe. Its name is derived from the Croats, a Slavic tribe who originally inhabited the region. The modern state of Croatia was established following the breakup of Yugoslavia in the early 1990s. Croatia is known for its stunning coastline along the Adriatic Sea, as well as its many historic cities and landmarks, such as Dubrovnik, Split, and Plitvice Lakes National Park. The country also has a rich cultural heritage, including traditional music, dance, and cuisine. Today, Croatia is a member of the European Union and NATO.